everyone. Welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we are going to unwrap another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar box. This is present number 16. It's flat. It's kind of pliable. Might be fabric, something with fabric in it, but we'll see here in a second. This is gift number 16. There we go. All right, we ready? Well, there's something down here that's a little harder. I'm betting it's a project of some sort. Are we ready? Okay, let's open this up. Can't wait any longer. Oops, can't wait. Trying to save the sticker. Some of the stickers come off in its entirety and other ones do not. Okay. All right. We ready? Are we ready? Take a little sneak peek. All right. Here we go. There's a couple items in here. It's a pattern. There's like a couple items. There's 3 items. All right. Anything else in there? Nope. That's it. Okay. So this is number 16. Let's see what we've got. Reusable bowl huggers. Look at that. So these are the elastic covers that can go on your bowl. And they have given us the fabric. And this is not just like cotton fabric. This is a plastic type of a fabric. Has a little bit soft side underneath, but it definitely has a soft, smooth feel to it that can be easily wiped off and cleaned. So that is cool. All right, let's see what they call it. There, splash laminated cotton. That makes sense. So like I said, the back side is kind of soft, almost like cotton, regular cotton fabric, but the top part is just slicky, slippery, easy to clean, which is what you want for the bowl cover. Perfect. Okay, so this then is also elastic. It says it's 1.5 yards of 1/4 inch wide elastic. That's very cool. And the fabric is a 13.5 by 27 inch rectangle of splash laminated cotton fabric, which I had actually never dealt with before. So this is going to be a very fun project for me to do. It says materials will yield 2 bowl covers up to 10 inches in diameter. The only other thing you need is scissors, thread, pencil, and a tape measure. Easily done. There's not really enough pictures on the inside. So that's the Missouri Star Quilt Company's pattern for the reusable bowl huggers. Look at that. That's fun. So we have the fabric and we have the elastic and the pattern, which is all we need to be able to make this project. Very cool. So this was gift number 16. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing or unwrapping of this present number 16. And I hope you stay tuned here again on Jolly Molly TV and come back tomorrow where we will open present number 17. It's going way too fast. I'm having so much fun opening these presents. Again, this is a keeper. I will make this and we might even have a video on it where I go through and show you how to make it. That would be fun. So I hope you stay tuned here on Jolly Molly TV for the next unboxing, which will be tomorrow, present number 17. And until then, have a wonderful day and thanks for watching. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.